The 4 armyworms have caused several attacks in the maize fields during the last growing season, especially in the winter cropping. Despite a number of efforts by government and development agencies, the 4 armyworms continue causing attacks in the maize fields. Realizing the significance of the staple food, agricultural experts have intensified trials as one way of reducing the negative impact of the 4 armyworms. Dr. McDonald Kachigamba, agricultural entomologist at Vumbwe Research Station, said so far the trials are producing positive results.
This field we are conducting an experiment to come up with the insecticides for effectively managing the farming problem that we have in the country. It is basically looking at the insecticides which are mild and also can be affordable to farmers. So we have 13 insecticides which we are evaluating currently. Another good thing about this trial is that we have included some 2 new insecticides which are plant-based, and these ones are performing very well. So it means they can be easily put into our integrated pest management system.
According to Dr. Kachigamba, the farmers are already using insecticides to fight the 4 armyworms in the maize fields.
From the trial that we had last year, we released we recommended 5 new insecticides, which we even recommended to the Ministry of Agriculture, and the Ministry has been buying and distributing to farmers these insecticides.
How has been the impact?
The impact has been very good because we already evaluated these insecticides here and they are good performers. So in the fields also they are doing well.
Meanwhile, a call has gone out to farmers to practice good farming methods as one way of avoiding diseases that attack maize fields. Simeon Shumba, MPC News, Vumbwe, Choro.